Right, let's take something apart. Since YouTube is on a bit of a 3D kick right now, I thought I'd take apart a Tomytronic's 3D Sky Attack. Now that's a early 1980s stereoscopic 3D liquid crystal video game handheld. The inspiration for this machine was obviously the Viewmaster, but instead of having a sequence of photographs, you have a stereoscopic 3D video game to play. So here's the machine. I've taken out all the screws just to speed things up a little bit, and lift off the bottom. You can see the battery compartment on the left there. I'm now going to lift out the lens arrays, and as well as the two lenses, there's two mounted 45-degree mirrors, so your eyes are directed in and up. I'll take out the circuit board now. The big black square in the middle there is the screen. If I turn it over, by my thumb there is the processor, and that's the speaker, and the big white rectangle is the light diffuser. I'm now going to set up a backlight and going to run the game so you can see how the colour LCD screen works. Graphics are obviously inspired by Tron, that's no bad thing. We can now clearly see how the stereoscopic effect is achieved. You have two images, one from your left eye, one from your right eye, both being generated on the same screen. Pretty clever. Tomytronic later released two more 3D games like this. Only this time they enhanced them with stereo sound, a full colour backlit backdrop, and a larger screen. This one is Dogfight or Sky Duel. The last one was the 3D Sherman Attack. This is a fake picture because I haven't got a 3D Sherman Attack. But that's about it for the Tomytronic 3D range. There are some newer games which at first glance look like they might be similar to the Tomytronic 3D, but rather disappointingly all the ones I've found so far have not been stereoscopic. Bit of a shame that.